Unity or else, more of the same. Unity or more of this. This is not the first, second, or third time in recent months that we're seeing persons from different industries coming out and protesting. Now we gotta ask ourselves, who and why are persons not making sure that these situations are rectified before it gets to this point? What's the reason why it's not being rectified in a meaningful way, and we keep seeing a repeat and a repeat and a repeat of what's going on?
He agreed that he said he agreed that he agreed that they have a problem. So at least he's honest. How much is it worth for? When the man is like a only? Not only, them man the man like a 15 and 16. You don't walk a day in the field, you know. I can make father why you asking me? You ask the question. We ask the question. Let me tell you something. We said the master that they're not going to quite clear. And that is true. Before Mr. Mohamed came in, the last meeting that was there, the Mississippi on the right. When will this money be paid? You know what? Yeah. That when the money is available. Yeah, money is available. That's the problem. Yeah, is that what you're saying? Correct. That's the kind of representative.
You want them release the money right now, they can do it.
Exactly. Yeah. Money is always available. Money is paper. Money is everything. Never get paid so good that pay them. The man signed that you were paying. Money. Let them print money and pay people money. Money and pay.
You know what's going on?
Yes. Print them and pay.
Yeah. Never signed that you don't pay right. Esta es la vida fácil.
Yeah, correct, buddy. Thank you,
You see, we hearing this problem, oh, Guyana get labor problem, Guyana get labor shortage, this, that, and the third, right? But how come over and over again we also hearing conversations about persons working and not getting paid? We hearing this conversation a lot about persons working in Guyana and not getting paid. How could that make sense? The maths in. You feel them man want down there making a set of knives and rowing and going on like that. Be hearing from other persons on the other side of the political spectrum for a while, you know. Honorable Ramjatan and members of the AFC were highlighting the fact that certain changes need to be implemented in the same industry for a while now. And look what we got going on the road, right? If things flowing how it's supposed to flow, persons are not going to be out protesting. Let's hear some more of these details. Because guess what? The president was highlighting this.
Only fool promise me a two. Correct. And you want to tax in the bullshit. You want to give yourself, give yourself one right now. You can't come and promise people, people not doing the promises. But he did. The promises done. He cut off the recording and he said, after he cut off the recording, man, we have a problem. He cut it off. I'm telling him from I'm telling him, stay in a state of union. Stay in the union. He have a $100,000. Not have been here. I'm understanding. Não fica ali para ninguém. Agora estamos calando, estamos calando. Yes, let's pay the rest of the cost. This last year, I promised to pay the money. Last year, I promised to pay the money. Just grab the money. The money done and look like the payouts is last year. But the money done in different places.
To revive and modernize the sugar industry, emphasizing that sugar continues to play a vital role in national life. He told the gathering of stakeholders, including sugar workers, that the modernization of the industry is necessary for its survival, resilience, and sustainability.
We are modernizing our factories. We are moving forward with greater value-added sugar production. We are looking at better ways of doing the job, more efficient way, more cost-effective way.
President Ali also called on the management of the Guyana Sugar Corporation to improve efficiency and consistency in meeting production targets, while strengthening collaboration with unions as the industry undergoes modernization.
But let me also say this clearly. The responsibility for reviving the sugar industry does not rest with management alone. It rests with all of us, because sugar does not only support sugar workers, sugar supports the entire community.
President of BOUT, Paul Narain, says the union welcomes government's continued support and reaffirmed his commitment to working alongside the government and Gaisuco's management to revive and modernize the sector. He pointed to the more than $16 billion in support provided to the industry by government so far this year, saying that the future of sugar looks bright.
This is not
Safe, wait, man. Wait. If everything is looking bright for sugar and billions of dollars is already invested, what's going on with them money? What's going on with the workers' SAP? What's going on with them penny? What's going on with them pay? There's what persons that are really, out in the street about. We're hearing all of these conversations about how bright the industry is, this, that, and the third. But look at what's going on in the street, Delta 9 travelers. That's why I'm saying it's important to support independent media, you know. Because I see we're cooking up right there, but look what's going on in the street. Look at what is going on in the street.
Every time them I realize that guys, people with food, they can't put the cane from the med, you understand? Enough of them maybe never get mental education right, exactly. They don't want to put brainwash.
I'm telling you, boy, hey.
That's why, you know, that's why I asked the president. I asked the president that day that during the South Africa period, he should have able to come here in school. I should have gone up, people loan them when the class start and pay back easy. They come punishing. The man shocking me up and telling me to give me on the $1,000. You understand? They give me on the $1,000 because my need all me everything. Exactly. I'm telling you on the $1,000, me and two other friends say I drink all the money. They go to class, live and get and get the water and that. They didn't feel like they give me on the $1,000 because now they give money.
They need to do the honorable.
Cost of living and all other problems persons gotta consider, right? So many other hurdles that persons gotta surmount on a daily basis, and then they still gotta deal with the problems of going to work and the problem of getting paid after you done work. I'm telling you about it.
Not just support. This is a full rescue mission. This is the PPP government demonstrating that it will not let the sugar industry die under its watch.
Meanwhile, President Ali has extended an invitation to the Sugar Workers Union to take up the challenge of managing one of the country's sugar estates, noting that the government is interested in exploring different management models as part of efforts to strengthen and sustain the industry.
What? Different management models? Them all want to hear about the money.
Years in this company, and you tell me no,
Let's get this over.
exactly.
They mind chicken. This last pound here, they sell chicken with $250. You never serve it like and $220, right? Now feed the drop, chicken the drop. The baby chicken price not drop, not drop. So what causes this price to drop? Don't some even know.
The man import chicken.
Me know you know what man.
The minister them import chicken money. The minister them import chicken and push you out the business body. That is the problem. And then them turn and say, and they see license and nobody can import chicken since for food out than another way. Then they still no license the people, but chicken still come in the country. And they know, okay.
Feed the drop, chicken the drop, but the price drop.
Yeah.
So that tells you directly the chicken the poor.
All right.
So at least now the little one won't mind. Yes, it tells you.
Yeah, buddy. No money, no work.
Right.
No money, no
I'm with
work.
you. Now work.
I've been going there. I've been going there punish, and I've been continue punish.
People be here with you. No money, no work.
Wait,
Where you leave? Where you go to the side? You
no money to go
know
money run things. No money, no work.
correct, it's right.
If I got come here every morning, right, I will come till you get the money. Till you get the money.
Right. No money, no work. I've been going to punish, so I've been continue punish.
In the next stage, you walk and polish. Yeah. Have a money.
Staff and punish? How are you, staff?
Give me one time. Good morning, Civic. How are you doing? Good. Thank you, man. Right. I will get one thing to tell Mr. Civic. So he come to the Alvin factory and see how much bag sugar spoil in the van. So
How much tons they got in there? 400?
I don't know what ton, but like and see
And what bag full of it?
and how much time They take to make 1 bag of sugar before the factory stop. That is how we do it. Like common see.
Last time you went to this factory, say you come back to reach out, and don't have to get back here. Yeah, after Easter, you say you come back.
Corporal?
Current workers,
Yeah, in the house.
stand your grounds. We'll be back here. You just let us know. We have some people we communicate. I don't want to call them.
Come back to reach out,
Scenes from the ground, Delta 9 travelers, and conversations coming in from those in authority about what's going on with our brothers and our sisters working in the sugar industry. One of Guyana's biggest, if not the biggest before oil, right? One that helped to build a lot of the infrastructural developments before we had this new resource that we would have started getting all of these funds from to do other things, right? We all think about the Delta 9 travelers. Drop it into the comment section, or definitely take a couple of seconds and call it in. And what are your views? It's up right now in the poll. I'm gonna put it up on the channel as a poll question. What are your views? Yes or no? Is Mohamed doing a great job as the opposition leader so far? Yes or no? Drop it into the comment section or vote. The poll is up on the channel right now. Is Mohamed doing a great job as the opposition leader so far? Yes or no? What do you think? Interact with the poll that we have in the live stream right now. In a couple of minutes, we're going to show you what persons are saying about that question as we continue with this live presentation. Big up to everybody in the chat right now. Rugrana, thanks for being a part of the live, buddy. Thanks for tuning in. One of our insightful moderators and one of the first moderators in the live today on Wisdom Wednesdays right here with Delta 9 Media. Big up yourself every single time. Thanks for dropping the nines in the comment sections as well. I see the legal alien touchdown in the chat. Bobby, what's going on? Bobby is saying greetings, Delta 9. Big up yourself, Bobby. Thanks for tuning in to the live presentation. Nav Joe, good afternoon, Delta 9 Media and crew. Flyers, I'm on board, waiting for departure. I'm telling you, it's an international digital connection. Persons connected from all over the globe.